Şerik şerik yenden Şeyin rikbi yenden
Dajin lop chu tsulu Meta me binurbu Shirik yenten ino
Dajin lop chu tsulu Meta me binurbu Şirik yenten
Kusongpola to all the listeners across the country. This is Kilongmo from Samtakang Primary School. This radio program is to reach to all the children across the nation. It's a mathematics lesson for class 1 on perimeter. Children, before we start our lesson, get ready with your things. Okay, if you are ready, then let's begin our lesson. Have you ever measured your flower garden or vegetable garden behind the fencing? If you haven't done, then please do it when you get a time. Because when we measure a space outside the shape, we get the perimeter of your garden. Clear? So children, perimeter means total length around the shape. I repeat, the total length around the shape. If you can't understand, look at the example given. Can you see a file? If you want to measure the perimeter of the file, then you have to measure the total length around the file. Okay? So the green line around the file shows the space outside the shape. That is called perimeter. Did you understand the meaning of perimeter? You just have to know that you have to measure the outside space of the shape. Alright, let's look at activity 1. So in activity 1, we are going to measure the total length using the classroom objects or classroom things. Shall we look at example? Can you see a picture of hexagon? So let us find the total length around the hexagon using eraser. Can you please count how many erasers are there around the hexagon? Yes, there are 6 erasers. So the total length around the hexagon is about 6 erasers. Are you understanding how to do the activity? Okay, shall we move to question A then? So you have to find the total length of the triangle in question A, okay? So you have to find the total length of the triangle. So you have to count the sharpeners that is around the triangle shape, and then you have to write it in the space given. So if you are getting confused, you can refer the example given. Alright? Okay. So I hope you have finished. Now look at question B. Same like question A, count the pencils around the rectangle and write the total length in the space given. Count properly and write clearly. Okay, have you finished? Okay, now that you know how to find the total length, do self-check for learning. So here you have to pick your notebook and find the total length of your notebook using your eraser. You have to draw and show like we saw in the activity 1. Write it neatly and clearly. So today we learned how to measure total length, that is perimeter, using non-standard units. With this, we come to the end of today's lesson. Children, stay safe and take care.
Şerik 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 yenden Şeyin rikbi yenden
Dajin lop chu tsulu Meta me binurbu Shirik yenten ino
Dajin lop chu tsulu Meta me binurbu Şirin